Hello everyone, this is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about intermittent fasting and coffee. So, does coffee break a fast? If you like the video related to intermittent fasting on total health, I would like to request you all please do like, share, subscribe this channel so that I will come up with more and more videos with a lots and lots of content. So, here we begin. Let's go. Caffeine lovers rejoice. Certain kinds of coffee seem to help people with intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a scientifically supported health trend known for its benefits, from weight loss to improved insulin sensitivity. Practicing intermittent fasting, you will cycle between specified periods of time without food and eating satisfying meals. This eating plan can encourage your body to rely on other sources of energy. However, there is a burning question: does drinking a cup of coffee during a fasting window undo all your progress? We have got the scientific answer: health benefits of fasting and the best coffee. Now, does coffee break intermittent fasting? Does coffee break intermittent fasting? So, black coffee does not break intermittent fasting as long as there are no additives. So, studies have found that low calorie or zero calorie coffee beverages do not affect intermittent fasting health benefit. However, other types of coffee may have a detrimental effect on your fast. So, here's what to know before you sip. Now, how black coffee affect fasting? Black coffee, or the smoother taste of cold coffee, is the safest bet for those choosing a fast. One cup of coffee has 3 to 5 calories on average, offering only negligible amounts of protein, fat, and minerals. If you are fasting to lose weight or improve metabolic health, a simple cup of black coffee won't harm your result. Now, how bulletproof coffee affect fasting? Bulletproof coffee is blended with grass-fed butter and often contains calorie-dense MCT oil, which the body converts to ketones. Individuals following the ketogenic diet typically, you can say, use this buttery blend for an added fat boost. However, coming in at an average of 320 calories per cup, it's important to consume bulletproof coffee in moderation while fasting. And if you are fasting for autophagy or longevity, you may want to stick to black coffee consumption instead. Now, how coffee with cream and sugar affect fasting? While the safest bet for maintaining your fast is black coffee, some people simply can't stand the taste. That's probably because they haven't tried smooth cold coffee yet. For those who cannot live without creamer or sugar, choose high quality, grass fed dairy and use a few additives as possible. They will activate your gut, so if you are fasting for gut rest, steer clear. However, this exception only applies to a splash of cream or sugar in a black coffee, not to your favorite latte or cappuccino. Those sugary additives will add calories that can break your fast or kick you out of ketosis if that's your aim. Now, coffee for each type of fast. So, people fast for different purposes, and even black coffee can be harmful for fasting in some cases. So, here what you need to know about each type of fast in coffee. Can I drink coffee while fasting for gut rest? We have had news or bad news. Coffee stimulates gastrin and triggers gut activity and gastrin, making it off limits for those fasting for gut health. If you cannot live without it, try a delicious low acid coffee for minimal side effect. Now, can I drink coffee on the 16:8 diet? Yes, you can drink coffee on the 16:8 diet even outside your eating window. The official protocol also allows for a splash of milk in your cup of joy. Now, can you drink coffee with while fasting for longevity? If you are fasting to reduce inflammation, promote autophagy, and limit the effects of aging, it's likely okay to drink a black coffee. Even a small dollop of cream and sugar. Just be sure to limit your intake. Can I drink on the 5:8 fasting schedule? The 5:8 fasting schedule method restricts calorie intake on 2 days of the week rather than eliminating calories during certain hours. As long as you stay within your caloric limits, you can have coffee even with additives. Now, can you drink coffee while fasting for metabolic health or weight loss? If you are fasting for metabolic reasons or to reduce body fat, it's likely too safe for you to drink small amounts of black coffee. Experts are divided on bulletproof coffee and adding cream and sugar. So if you want to play it safe, skip those options. So, as long as you continue to drink water and follow your meal plan, it seems that drinking coffee while fasting is perfectly fine for most. Now, benefits of drinking coffee while intermittent fasting. Now, benefits of intermittent fasting and the benefits of drinking coffee can go in hand. They share many similar effects that may stack on one another. So much of the science around drinking coffee while intermittent fasting is still emerging, but what we do know is promising. It seems that coffee while intermittent fasting leads to reduced inflammation. Multiple studies have shown that intermittent fasting and coffee consumption both lead to reduced inflammation markers used together. The effects of caffeine and fasting may compound for increased anti inflammatory activity. Now, better brain health. Both drinking coffee and intermittent fasting have demonstrated promise in slowing mental decline and protecting against disease such as Alzheimer and Parkinson. Now, increased autophagy. Autophagy is a process by which the body breaks down old or damaged cells and regenerate new ones in the place. This allows the body to repair and heal on a cellular level, decrease inflammation, and more. Fasting is linked to higher level of autophagy, and coffee boosts autophagy as well. In animal studies together, they may help the body fight aging, disease, and inflammation at greater rates. Now, boosted metabolism, both fasting and caffeine increase the body's metabolic rate, speeding up weight loss and promoting fat burn. Then it comes to ketosis. If you are following a keto diet or fasting to reach ketosis, recent research indicates that caffeine may promote ketone production in the brain. Improved insulin sensitivity. Both fasting and caffeine can help manage insulin resistance, lower insulin levels, and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. For this benefit, you all want to opt for a light roasted coffee, which more effectively manages blood glucose. Now, lessened hunger. If hunger pangs are a reason you have been avoiding intermittent fasting, coffee may be able to reduce the sensation of hunger. Many people say that caffeine and warm beverages help them to feel full. Now, it's safe to say that caffeine can complement so many things. I guess you can understand. So, that's all we can go ahead and understand from this content. So, till then, God bless you. Take care of your health and bye bye.